Hi guys, so today I am going to whip up a little batch of spicy garlic aioli. It's going to be based on a honey mustard mayonnaise type setting, because that's what we're going to put in. We're going to put some mustard in with this too. This is, I mean, you can get this recipe online, but I doctored up this recipe to make it my own. So I'm going to bring you for a ride. We're going to use about a cup of mayonnaise. So there's that. I'm going to measure everything with your heart. I'm going to try to give you a rough estimate on what I'm using. So we got about a cup of mayonnaise. I've got some spicy brown mustard. We're just going to do let's see, maybe about a teaspoon of mustard. Grab some honey. I'm gonna do probably, yeah, about a teaspoon of honey also. We're gonna look at it too. So we got mayonnaise, mustard, honey. We're gonna use some garlic powder. Measure with your heart. If you really want it garlicky, put the more garlic in. So maybe about a half teaspoon to a teaspoon of garlic powder, whatever you want. This is lemon juice. I squeeze lemons and I freeze them in ice cube trays, and then I put them in the freezer in Ziploc bags. So this is one that's thawed out. Put a splash of lemon juice. Now we're gonna add, let's shake this up before we add this, some Sriracha. The Sriracha, if I can open it. A good squirt of Sriracha. If you want it more spicier, add more. Now we're gonna give this a stir. Stir this up. I got hooked on aioli at a restaurant down in Florida. They had put it on some roasted mini potatoes, and it was delicious. So I got addicted to it. So now I make it at home. This can go on anything: burgers, sandwiches, dip your fries in it, fish sticks, anything, fish tacos, anything like that. It's really delicious. If you want it thicker, add more mayonnaise back into that, but I think I'm gonna leave it just like this. So let's give it a taste. What's it need? But it needs something. What's it need? It needs more garlic. So add some more garlic. Okay. And I think I'm going to add just a little bit more Sriracha. So I'm gonna close it. Let's squeeze that in there. Put that in. Now, perfect. It's got a good kick to it and everything. So now what I'm going to do to store that is take my spatula again, clean that up, and to store it in the fridge, I'm just going to put it right in a little mason jar. So this will go on my sandwiches and probably my chef's salad I'm gonna have for lunch today. Just a little bit, because I'm trying to still watch my calories, so we don't want too much. And yeah, give this one a try, guys. I think you'll enjoy it. There you have it. This made about a cup. Oops, sorry. This made just about a cup of a sauce. So like I said, give it a try. If you like the recipe, give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.